皆さんこんにちは Hello everyone, I'm a Japanese teacher Leo. Yeah, today I'm gonna talking about 20 essential Japanese grammatic point pattern. Yeah, and 5 level. Yeah, so if you mastered these patterns, your Japanese conversation more smoothly and you're gonna be master of basic Japanese grammar points. Okay, well, let's get started. Yes, first expression is あちら. Yes, あちら meaning is over there. For example, トイレはあちらです. Yeah, toilet is over there. Yes. So what you gonna say? Exit is over there. Exit is 出口. なんで出口はあちらです。出口はあちらです。Yes. あちら meaning is like a polite over there, polite expression. Yes. Yes. なんプラスのです。Yeah. This no is like can be used as a noun in the sentence that modifies the relevant noun. Yeah. For example, これはどこの車ですか? Where is this cab from? イタリアのです。Italy one. イタリアのです。Yeah. So, let's go next. Yeah. なんが欲しいです。Something が欲しいです。That means I want. Yeah. For example, 水が欲しいです。水が欲しいです。I want water. Yes. So what are you gonna say? I want dog. 犬が欲しいです。犬が欲しいです。Yeah. Next expression is どこかどこか is somewhere. Yeah. For example, どこか行きませんか? Shall we go somewhere? Yeah. And next, 何か is something. 何か食べますか? 何か食べますか? Will you eat something? Yeah. If you wanted to say, do you want something? Do you want something? 何か欲しいですか? 何か欲しいですか? Yeah. Next, 誰か. 誰か is someone. Someone. For example, 誰かいますか? 誰かいますか? Is there someone? If you wanted to say someone coming, someone came. 誰か来ました。誰か来ました。Yes. Next. どこへも。どこへも。Nowhere. Yeah. どこへも行きません。I don't go anywhere. Yes. When you use something noun, question expression plus emo, like mo, you must use negative sentence. Yes. Next, 何も plus negative. 何も is nothing. 何も食べません。何も食べません。I wouldn't eat nothing. I wouldn't eat anything. Yeah, 何も食べません。Yes. Okay. Second. 誰にも。誰にも。誰にも言いません。誰にも言いません。誰にも no one. 誰にも言いません。Meaning is I wouldn't say no one. anyone, sorry. I wouldn't say anyone. 誰にも言いません。Yes. Alright, next. Actually, is a question expression is plus nimo. Usually often use it. Some nowhere, nothing, no one. Yeah. Next expression is something masenka, which is invitation. Yes. Verb plus masenka. 一緒に行きませんか一緒に行きませんか Wouldn't you come with me? Wouldn't you come with me? 一緒に行きませんか Well, what are you gonna say? コーヒーを飲みませんかコーヒーを飲みませんか That means, would you like to drink coffee? Yeah. Next, something ましょう。Let's kind of traditional home. Let's do with something. Yes. 勉強しましょう。勉強しましょう。Let's study. So what are you gonna say? Let's go. 行きましょう。行きましょう。Yes, you can use must home plus must drop. Just put ましょう instead of must. Yeah. Next. Something になりました。That means I became. 先生になりました。先生になりました。I became a teacher. So what are you gonna say? It became hot in Japanese. 暑くなりました。暑くなりました。Yeah, in this situation, it adjective plus になりました。You have to use く instead of い。暑い。い drop just put く。暑くなりました。Okay. Next. なんが好きです。なんが好きです。Yeah, like I like 好きです。something が好きです。For example, 猫が好きです。猫が好きです。I like cat. What are you gonna say? I like car in Japanese. 車が好きです。車が好きです。Yes. Next. Something が嫌いです。Something が嫌いです。I hate or dislike. 納豆が嫌いです。納豆が嫌いです。I dislike natto. So if you wanted to say I dislike insect. Insect is 昆虫 or 虫。虫が嫌いです。虫が嫌いです。Yeah. Next expression is verb. Verb stem plus に行きます。Yeah. Like go to do. For example, ご飯を食べに行きます。ご飯を食べに行きます。I go to eat food. Yeah. If you wanted to say, I go to study, we're gonna say, I go to study in Japanese. 勉強しに行きます。勉強しに行きます。Yes, stem verb plus 行きます。Stem verb is the must home first. The must drop, like 食べます。must drop 食べ just put に行きます。食べに行きます。Yes. Next. Something た後で is after. 食べた後で寝ます。食べた後で寝ます。I go to sleep after eating. Yes. Okay. Next expression. Something の前に before. Yeah. 寝る前に本を読みます。寝る前に本を読みます。That means I read a book before sleep. Yes. じゃあ、what are you gonna say? I study Japanese before sleep. 寝る前に日本語を勉強します。寝る前に日本語を勉強します。Okay. Yeah, next expression. Something ながら which is wild. For example, 音楽を聴きながら勉強します。音楽を聴きながら勉強します。I listen music while studying. Yes. Okay. So if you wanted to say, I'm going to school while reading book. 学校に行きながら本を読みます。学校に行きながら本を読みます。Yes. Next. Yeah, something けど meaning it's but. For example, 忙しいけど行きます。忙しいけど行きます。I'm busy, but I'll go. Yes. So if you wanted to say, I'm full, but I'll eat. I'm full is お腹がいっぱい。お腹がいっぱいだけど食べます。Yes, in this situation, I use だけど because none and not adjective, you have to use だけど but it's like a but and it adjective. You don't have to use だけど you just say けど like 美味しいけど食べませんみたいな It is tasty, but I don't eat みたいな Okay, next, もう is already もう食べました。もう食べました。I already ate. So, if you wanted to say, I'm going to home already, we're gonna say, もう帰ります。もう帰ります。Yes. Let's summarize. If you master these patterns, which is N5 levels, you can already build more than 100 of sentences. Yes. Japanese is not about memorizing thousands of words. It's about mastering patterns. So if you master these patterns, yeah, you are more actively to talk. You can do that. Yes. Well, practice this one every day. お願いします。Yes. And also, I'm opening Japanese lesson and Japanese coaching program. Yeah. So please check it out in my description if you are interested. Yes. Well, thank you for watching my video. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. Bye bye.